Ever watched a live event where the camera operator completely missed the action? The image looked soft or the zoom turned everything into a blurry mess? It only takes a few seconds or bad video to make an expensive production look amateur. And that's exactly why professional PTZ cameras have become such a big deal for churches, schools, corporate events, sports, live streams, podcasts, and content creators. Instead of planting, someone behind every camera, modern PTZ systems let you remotely control multiple cameras while still getting smooth cinematic movement and razor-sharp video. And one of the newest entries into the market is the Hollyland Astra P1. And on paper, it packs some seriously impressive features that could make it a strong option for anyone building or upgrading a professional production setup. So let's break down exactly what the camera offers, who it's made for, and what it deserves a place in your workflow. At a glance, the Astra P1 looks like a traditional PTZ camera, but underneath the hood, Hollyland has packed in technology designed for modern production. The camera records in up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, giving you incredibly detailed footage that looks crisp. Whether you're streaming online or displaying in one giant LED wall, that extra resolution also gives editors more flexibility because you can crop into the image without losing nearly as much quality as lower resolution cameras. And the camera is built around a 1 by 1.8 inch CMOS sensor, which gathers more light than many smaller sensors commonly found in entry-level PTZ cameras. This means better image quality, improved dynamic range, cleaner shadows, the noticeably better low light performance. And if you've ever recorded inside a church sanctuary, a gymnasium, an auditorium, or conference room where lighting isn't always perfect, having a larger sensor can make a significant difference in overall image quality. And one of the biggest highlights is the powerful 30 times optical zoom. Optical zoom is important because unlike digital zoom, it physically magnifies the image using the lens itself instead of simply enlarging the pixels. That means you can place the Astra P1 at the back of a large room, zoom all the way into a speaker on stage, and still retain sharp image quality. And for productions covering graduations, sporting events, concerts, weddings, conferences, or worship services, that on Zoom opens up a lot of creative possibilities without sacrificing detail. Around this point, if you're interested in checking out every specification, viewing current pricing, or even purchasing the Astra P1 yourself, be sure to check out the link down in the description. It's an easy way to see all the technical details directly from Hollyland while comparing it to your own production needs. Now let's talk about one of the smartest features built into this camera: AI-powered auto tracking. Tracking technology has improved dramatically over the past few years, and the Astra P1 uses artificial intelligence to automatically recognize and follow subjects as they move throughout a scene. Imagine a presenter walking across the stage, a pastor moving naturally during a sermon, or an instructor teaching a class. Instead of requiring someone to manually adjust the camera every few seconds, the AI can smoothly keep the subject framed, reducing the operator workload and while maintaining professional-looking shots. Hollyland also includes face detection, auto exposure, and that might sound like a technical feature, but it's actually incredibly practical. And cameras often struggle when bright backgrounds or changing light conditions fool the exposure system. So face detection, auto exposure priorities, and the subject's face so people remain properly exposed even if the lighting changes around them. This helps create a more natural image while avoiding those moments where someone's face suddenly becomes too dark or completely blown out. Connectivity is another area where the Astra P1 shines. Professional productions often require multiple output options depending on the equipment being used. And Hollyland delivers with HDMI, 3G SDI, USB, IP streaming, and NDI HX3 support. Having all these options means the camera can fit into a wide variety of production environments without forcing you to redesign your workflow. HDMI works great for many live stream setups. SDI provides reliable long-distance professional connection. And USB allows for simple computer integration, while NDI lets the camera transmit high-quality video over a standard network. so reducing the cable clutter and simplifying, the larger installations. The camera also supports modern streaming protocols like RTMP, RTMPS, and SRT, making it easier to send live video directly to streaming platforms or remote production systems. And if your workflow includes YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Twitch, or private streaming solutions, having these built-in protocols can save both time and additional hardware costs. Another welcome feature is Power over Ethernet Plus, commonly known as PoE Plus. Instead of running separate power and network cables, a single Ethernet cable can provide both data and electricity. And for permanent installation in churches, schools, conference centers, or auditoriums, this can dramatically simplify the installation while reducing cable management headaches. Fewer cables often mean faster setups, cleaner installation, and fewer points of failure over time. Camera movement is equally as important for a PTZ system, and the Astra P1 is designed to provide smooth pan, tilt, zoom movements and avoid that jerky motion often seen on lower-end models. That smooth movement matters because audiences subsequently notice when action cameras feel robotic or unnatural. So that clean camera movement helps production feel polished and professional, even if one operator is controlling multiple cameras simultaneously. And Hollyland also includes preset positions too, allowing operators to instantly recall specific camera angles with the push of a button. During live events where every second counts, being able to jump from a wide audience shot to a close-up of a presenter almost instantly makes production much more efficient. Build quality is another area worth mentioning too. PTZ cameras often remain installed for years, so reliability matters just as much as image quality. So Hollyland designed the Astra P1 for professional environments, where equipment may be running for extended periods throughout the week. And whether you're live streaming every Sunday, broadcasting sports events every weekend, or producing corporate presentations daily, having dependable hardware becomes incredibly important over the long term. And of course, no camera is perfect. The Astra P1 is clearly designed for professional users, meaning its feature set may be more than casual creators actually need. And if you're only filming yourself sitting at a desk making YouTube videos, a standard mirrorless camera may still be better value. However, if you're managing multiple camera angles, producing live events, covering conferences, operating in-house of worship, or building a network-based production system, the Astra P1 begins to make a lot more sense because its strengths really show in larger productions where remote control and automation save both time and staffing costs. Before wrapping things up, if you'd like to learn more about the Astra P1, compare the latest pricing, check out all of its detailed specifications, or pick one up for your own production, you'll find a direct link in the description. It's the easiest way to see everything Hollyland offers with this camera before making a decision. And overall, the Hollyland Astra P1 combines excellent image quality, a large sensor, true 4K 60 recording, an impressive 30x optical zoom, AI auto tracing, face detection, auto exposure, professional connectivity including NDI, HX3, HDMI, SDI, USB, PoE, and Plus, and multiple streaming protocols into a single PTZ camera built for demanding production environments. And whether you're upgrading an existing live stream system or building entirely new production workflow, it offers the kind of flexibility, automation, and image quality that professionals expect while helping smaller production teams accomplish far more with fewer operators. And as PTZ technology continues evolving, cameras like the Astra P1 show just how capable remote production equipment has become, making high-end broadcasts more accessible than ever before. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.